Unleashing Creativity, the Moto G Stylus, 2025, Review. Meet the Moto G Stylus, 2025, a smartphone that's ready to take the mid-range market by storm, especially for those in the US who crave a device with a built-in stylus. This phone is not just another gadget, it's a tool for creativity and productivity, all wrapped up in a sleek design. When you unbox the Moto G Stylus, 2025, you'll find a USB-C cable and a handy SIM eject tool waiting for you. Our review unit comes in a stunning Pantone Gibraltar Sea color, which is a unique petrol blue that stands out beautifully. There's also a Pantone Surf the Web option, which is another delightful shade of blue. Both colors feature a vegan leather finish that not only looks great but also provides a better grip than standard plastic or glass. However, be cautious with the sides of the phone, they are matte and can be a bit slippery. I had a little mishap and dropped the phone from about 50 centimeters during a clumsy moment, but thankfully, it emerged unscathed. This durability might just be thanks to its MIL STD 810H certification, which means it's built to withstand a bit of rough and tumble. As the name suggests, the Moto G Stylus, 2025, comes with a built-in pen, just like its predecessor and some other high-end models. Pulling the stylus from its holster brings up a handy menu, making it easy to jot down notes or sketch out ideas on the go. While some might debate the necessity of a stylus in today's smartphone landscape, there's no denying that Motorola has carved out a unique niche with this feature. If you're looking for a device that offers this capability, you'll have to look hard to find a competitor. Now, let's talk about the display. The Moto G Stylus, 2025, boasts a vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution just over 1080p. The colors are punchy, the brightness is impressive, and using this screen is an absolute joy. On the camera front, Motorola has kept things mostly the same. You'll find a 50MP main camera, upgraded to a Sony Lisha LYT700C sensor, alongside a 13MP ultra-wide lens that also has macro capabilities. And for those selfie lovers out there, the front camera is a robust 32MP, ensuring you'll look great in every shot. Priced at $400, the Moto G Stylus, 2025, is available at major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Motorola's online store. If you're in the market for a mid-range phone that combines style, functionality, and a unique stylus feature, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Check out the best deals from our affiliate partners below. 256GB with 8GB RAM for $399.99 at Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/dp/v0dwv55dxh tag $GSM-us2-20 link code =OSI &th =1 PSC =1 $399.99 at Best Buy. https://bestbuy.7tid.net/c/3763735/10014 prodsq =$6617938 u $http%(3a%(2f%(2f www.bestbuy.com%(2f site%) 2f-%(2f6617938.p%(3fcmp%3drmx. For more pricing options, check out here https://www.gsmarena.com/Motorola_Moto_G_Stylus_5G_2025, price 13784.php.